Happy Wednesday, everyone. Mr. Talbot here. Just a quick video kind of check in on where you should be at. So, with it being October 14th, certainly, hopefully, through the first half of this week, you've been able to finish out your topic 2.4 notes. Want to remind you, make sure you're following those directions really carefully because I don't want you to do more than you have to. But we're going to see next week you have an essay question where you're going to be comparing multiple regions of the world to each other and during this time period. And by doing the Mongols and another topic, that's going to give you two regions, and the project is going to hopefully give you a third region. So make sure you're following those directions. Make sure you're participating in the discussion board at the end of this week. Those are all great things that are going to be helping you along the way. With each assignment, always remember there is a tutorial video. And with this week's assignment, it's a fairly long assignment. Again, I really hope you've had a chance to start it already. If not, make sure you're doing that Sign Up Genius. But make sure as soon as possible so you get the topic that you want. You've got initial research. You're going to be researching and kind of starting to put together some of the skills from earlier on in the unit. So if you think back with topic 2.1 on the Renaissance artists, you were looking at finding good sources, figuring out, researching them to make sure they're credible, and then making an annotated bibliography. Where you're doing all that again for your topic from the Not So Dark Ages. Then in topic 2.2, for the Reformation, you made a form of media to emphasize some key points. You're doing the same thing, only for your kind of topic of the Not So Dark Ages. So again, applying those same skills. So if you haven't finished assignments, I would do those first so you get the skill down, but want to be working hard to get caught up. Hopefully you save yourself a little bit of time towards the end of this week to study for the Unit 2 test. That's what we're going to be diving into next week, as well as spending some time revising, then hopping into Unit 3. But that's all for next week. As always, if you have questions, don't forget you can email me. And we have office hours throughout Wednesday. Those are all located right up here on your normal days. But for Wednesdays, we have this amount of time. So lots and lots of time available. So please drop by if you need help with any of the assignments so far. I don't care if it's Unit 1 or Unit 2. Hope to see you today.